You want to spin? Here, spin! See that? He wants to spin. Gotta lay down. Gotta lay down. If you want to spin, you gotta lay down. What are you doing? You're fruit. No, you gotta lay all the way down. If you want to spin, you gotta lay on your back. Lay on your back. Gotta lay down. All I do is lay down. Okay, you ready? Sorry, I just told him to lay down, so I didn't think he was actually gonna like fall.
Blew his arm off.
Are you ready?
Hey, get out of there.
Yes. Go, Beefy, go.
What's his name?
We're just sweeping Nana's floors.
Harry. Oh, did you know the zombie apocalypse is coming, Jesse?
I'm sorry. This baby is just too funny. Huh? I'm putting this on YouTube, yeah. I'm making a video of it.
Real. Didn't you hear on the news? There's a guy.
Baby, can you stand up? Come on, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. He's trying to get... No, he's trying to get me to spin him again. I can't spin you by your arm, honey. We'll dislocate that. But... Okay, maybe he can't stand up. Can you stand up? No. So you can't stand up? Beefy, Beefy, hey, whoa. Whoa, he saved you. Can you stand up? Beefy, Beefy, honey, can you stand up? Hey, hey. Aw, he did it. See, he can stand up. He's all fine. You gotta give him 20 minutes. If I make them short enough, yeah. Oh no, you tried doing that. I mean, there's something up there. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? How you doing today, huh? How you doing? You get up. Go. Bye, baby. Bye. Bye, baby.